Hey guys, I have another easy square knot pattern for you today that creates a diamond design with a V shape underneath it. This design looks great when repeated horizontally. This design can also be repeated moving down your work as is or flipped to create a variation on the design. Let's get started. Row 1. Tie a square knot in the middle of your work. Row 2. Tie 2 square knots underneath the first square knot. Row 3. Tie 3 square knots underneath the previous row. Row 4. Tie 2 square knots underneath the previous row. Row 5. Tie a square knot underneath the previous row. We will now create the V shape. Tie a square knot with the 4 cords on the left. Skip the first 2 cords and tie a square knot underneath the previous square knot. Skip the first 4 cords and tie a square knot underneath the previous square knot. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie 1 more square knot in the middle of your work. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.